Hi, I'm Jack Molisani, the Executive Director of the LavaCon conference. Before you submit your speaker proposal, I wanted to tell you a little bit about what we're looking for, some history of the conference, and why we're different from other conferences. LavaCon started in Hawaii, hence our name, and I wanted to continue that aloha spirit in the mainland US. So we have our conference in fun, walkable places with some amazing food and some really fun networking opportunities. However, keep in mind that LavaCon is a gathering place for senior content professionals, directors, vice presidents, documentation managers who are looking for a place to network with other content professionals, share their best practices and lessons learned, both what worked and what didn't. So we're not looking for sessions on how do I create a new topic. We're looking for sessions at a very strategic level. How do you future-proof your content strategy? What is Content 4.0? How do you prepare for chatbots? Where is the industry going from here? How can you create content for a global audience in simplified English in a way that is localized for the country that it's being published in? All these are very management-oriented sessions. So you are going to be speaking to a very, very senior content professional. So no entry-level sessions. Workshops are great. Case studies are great. Share what you've learned. What worked in your organization that other content professionals could learn from. You're always free to email me or call me with questions. My contact information is in the call for speakers. Do please read the call for speakers. We have some amazing social events on top of the conference itself. So I look forward to seeing you. And keep in mind, we get way more proposals than we can keep each year. So we will do our best to get everybody in. One other thing to keep in mind is after we receive all the content proposals, we're going to post them on Listly and have attendees vote on what sessions they like best, kind of like what South by Southwest does. So come up with a catchy title and let's see if you get a come on board. I look forward to seeing everybody either as a speaker or an attendee. If you're returning speaker, welcome back. And if you're a first-time speaker, we're happy to have you. Take care, and I'll see you in New Orleans.